Have you ever noticed most jewelers won't repair silver? They'll polish it and maybe clean it, but when it comes to the real bench work, forge, solder, reshape, they pass. Why? Because silver is a nightmare. This ring came in with a cracked sizing bar. Someone had already tried to fix it with a laser. Bad idea. Lasers bounce off silver's surface. It's too reflective, too unstable. What looks like a bond usually isn't. Here's what most people don't realize. Silver conducts heat like a lightning rod. Place it near an open flame, like an oven or a grill, and it'll burn you before you even know it's hot. Now, imagine trying to control that kind of heat, when the stone in the ring could shatter, crack, or even change color in a heartbeat. And that's just the beginning. Silver also has a higher melting point than gold. So to work it, you need acetylene, an aggressive gas mixed with oxygen, to hit those higher temperatures. It burns bright, dangerously bright. And without a shaded lens, you're risking your vision. So how do I do it? First, I removed the damaged sizing bar and cleaned up the joints. Then I dipped the whole ring in a mix of boric acid and denatured alcohol and lit it on fire. This burns off impurities and shields the surface from oxidation. With my torch roaring, I picked up a sliver of silver solder and placed it at the joint. This is where it gets surgical. Apply too little heat and the solder won't flow. Too much and the silver collapses. You've got seconds. You have to read the metal. Its glow, its movement, its tension. When it's right, you feel it. The solder flowed clean, both joints sealed tight, into a warm pickle solution to clean away all the flux and fire scale, then a rinse. Cool, clean, ready. A little grinding, a little polishing, and just like that, the ring looks brand new. Like the day it was bought. Silver may be cheaper than gold, but repairing it takes just as much skill, maybe more, and a lot more time. Because anyone can sell jewelry, but repairing the impossible, that's a craft.